Greetings, greetings, greetings. Nikki Brown here, no matter where you are and what part of the world you're in. I hope that you're having a good day. So, I just wanted to say this really quickly. One of the things that I realize is people don't like you when they can't control you, they get mad at you. Not all people, but a lot of people. When you don't conform, right? When you don't do the same things that they do, or watch the same things that they watch, or eat the same things that they eat. It makes them feel uncomfortable. So then they decide they don't like you. They're not really getting to know you as a person, they're judging the things that you don't do. So, just wanted to share that. Hope it was helpful. Later. Love y'all. Mwah.